Alright then guys, welcome back. So I'm in the workshop and we're going to be doing another unboxing video. Today we're going to be looking at Evolution's brand new 18-volt reciprocating saw. So as with all my reviews, I'll show you what comes in the box and then we'll take it from there. This is the tool only, so it doesn't include a battery or charger. So without further ado, let's get the box open. Right, so there's a quick look at the front of the box. Now, this is the first reciprocating saw I've ever owned, so I can't compare it to any others I've used. So let's see what we get in the box. I'm not expecting there to be a great deal in the box. So you get the usual instruction booklet. And see a packet of blades. There's two in the pack, one for thin steel and a multi-purpose blade. And then we get the saw itself. There's also an Allen key. Some first impressions. Actually feels really nice in the hand. Nice over molded grip again. I like it. Right, so there's not a great deal to show you on the tool itself, but I'll start with the trigger. So as with all of their other tools, you've got the safety catch, which can be used with your right hand, or if you're left-handed you can easily access that with your left hand, which is really good. And if you don't press that, it doesn't allow you to operate the tool. It's got a really nice comfortable rear grip. At the front of the machine you've got your front plate or shoe, whatever you want to call it, and this bit pivots. It's all made of metal, so nice and sturdy. Toolless blade change. You just push this bit round, put your blade in, let go of it, and that locks your blade in place. So that's always nice. And then underneath you've got two small grub screws, and if you loosen these two, it will actually allow you to adjust the front shoe in or out. And obviously once you've set it, just nip these back up. And the battery obviously clips in there. And that is all there is to say about it, really. So let's just put a battery on and we'll see what it sounds like. So it has got a variable speed trigger, so let's have a go. It's fairly noisy, but it's a saw. It's going to be noisy. Alright then guys, well I think that just about covers it all. I know it was a short video, but there really isn't much to say about a reciprocating saw. Overall, it works really well. You saw me cut through the piece of 2x6 material, done that without any problems. I cut through the piece of 4x4 post, clamped on top of the 2x6, and it handled that really easily. And it also cut through the 2x6 with the nails in. So overall, it does everything that you'd want from a reciprocating saw. The only problems I actually had was trying to clamp the wood to my workbench. Because of the vibrations of the saw, the clamps kept working themselves loose, and then the wood would kind of move and cause a lot more vibrations. But I did manage to get a couple of cuts before the clamps fell off. So overall, it works really well. So quick reminder, don't forget you can use the code GRUMPIES, all in capitals, to get 10% off your purchase over on the Evolution Power Tools website. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and until the next video, stay safe, and you'll see me in the next one. Cheers for watching, guys.